My name is Ali Kazimi. I submitted the application for the loan, and it's true I submitted my name, but this is through Dr. Mekki, which is here with me tonight. We have the building, and the second and third floor of the building I'm remodeling with my own money, and we're putting apartments up there. Actually, we're almost done with the project. Just the first floor, Dr. Mekki wants to convert that into a medical center, and it's going to be, the funding is going to be for him, not for me. Actually, I'm going to give them free rent for about most probably about a year or so till they catch on with the business. And he is expecting to have a payroll of almost $1.2 million for the project. And he's expecting maybe 30 to 40 patients a day. So adding 1.5 or $1.1 million for the payroll, for the taxes, for the payroll. And if you have 40 patients a day, hopefully half of them or 2/3 of them will use the facilities, the restaurants, whatever we have in downtown. I've been in downtown for 40 years myself. My family's been there since 1927. I'm the only one that stuck it up in that block and stayed. And 4 years ago, I bought Tom Williams building, and we remodeled that, we converted that into apartments, and we're happy with Wilkes-Barre. So hopefully we can get you both to have us submit that application just to help us do the first floor, because that area, the first floor is going to be vacant for a long time. And everything around us is vacant. So hopefully we get your support.
Thank you, sir.